Good afternoon. My name is Kit
Beaudry with MarineMax Pensacola. Today we'll be going over the 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. We'll start at the transom here. Notice this boat has the new Mercury 300 Veratos, the new naturally aspirated motors. It is equipped with joystick piloting. Moving into the cockpit area, you have a full bench seat across the transom. Over to the port side, you have a pull-out seat as well that does tuck to the gunnel. Makes it nice for fishing. This boat also has the summer kitchen, the pull-out grill. Very, very nice option. Moving up forward, refrigerator here with a sink. Nice port side lounge area. This does come up, moves away. You have a table that pulls out if you're entertaining, and also eating area. Coming to the helm, this particular boat does not have electronics. We let our customers choose that. You have AC at the helm, your vessel view SmartCraft. Come on down below, show you some great features. Notice on the 315 Conquest, very large V-berth. This table drops down, makes a filler cushion. This boat does sleep 4 comfortably, 2 in the mid-berth and 2 forward. Very large mid-berth, full beam. Nice little dinette galley area here with a TV. You do have a full head off to the starboard side. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.